gun drill MC in Kdg series is suitable for mass production. Especially, this model is specialized in automobile, aircraft parts, sleeve pins, and marine nozzles. Available with hydraulic clamping system, automatic manual loading and transfer system in the work table. For quantity production and various kinds of workpiece, multi-axis machines are available with the model Kig, KSG, and KWG. Biaxial Kdg series is the combination of gun drill and gun reamer for automotive hydraulic master cylinder. Spindle and transfer motor adapted the MC motor is driven by controlling numerical values on the operating monitor.